We have function f, x squared plus x minus 7, and we have to find if our function is increasing or decreasing at the given value. In this case, we have x equals negative 2. So, to find if our function f is increasing or decreasing, we need to find first derivative and calculate the value first derivative for x equals negative 2. When our first derivative for x equals negative 2 will be positive, it means our function is increasing. When we got that our first derivative for negative 2 is negative, it means our function is decreasing. So let's calculate first derivative. F prime of x is equal. Derivative of x squared is 2x plus derivative of x is 1. Derivative of constant is 0, so I don't have to write. Now you have to replace x by negative 2. So we have f prime of negative 2 is equal 2 times negative 2 plus 1. So f prime of negative 2 is equal 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. We got that first derivative at x equals negative 2 is negative, is less than 0. It means our function f is decreasing. This is my solution.